This is tutorial number 40, and it covers how to create annotations within your eDrawings. Now, in this tutorial, we're going to be using the staircase, which we created in tutorial number 39. Now, let's say we want to make some annotations and markups about our design. All we have to do is click the markup button, and we can choose from any of these to write our comments in. So let's choose the cloud with letter. And let's choose the top step, and let's write a comment. Let's say this step is too high. Click OK. And now whoever we send this to is going to know that we have a comment with regards to the top step and that it's too high. Now let's make another comment using just the text. And let's make a comment down here. And let's say this step needs to be chamfered. Click OK. And now we see the comment from this step. So through the eDrawings, we're able to pass ideas to other people about all of our comments and what we have to say. Now when you click on here, it shows the comments that I've made. Now let's say someone else made comments, and they can say, it can be customer, and customer can say that they don't want that to be chamfered and that they have decided to make that step a little lower. And you can trade ideas through this eDrawings. Now say we've arrived at our perfect design. So let's click the stamp and let's say that this is approved. And now we've approved our eDrawing. And this concludes our tutorial on how to create annotations within our eDrawings.